Visit one website, earn 2 cents, view an ad, earn 50 cents, and watch a video to earn 70 cents. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make money by simply viewing ads, watching video, as well as visiting websites. Step 1 is to sign up. So click on the link in the description. It will bring you here. You'll be asked to enter your first name right here, enter your last name, enter your email address, password you want to use, confirm the password right here, and enter the rest of the details, and click on this to also create your account. The second step is to do the tax and earn. Watch videos to earn, view ads to earn, as well as visit website to earn. So you can see down here we have plan and task. Now the task that I've been given is to just visit website and earn 2 cents for each website that I visit, and there is a limit right here which is 10. I'm going to tell you more about this later in the video. So all you simply need to do is to click on start earning right here, and this will load just like this right here, and you can simply scroll through the website or just leave it for 10 seconds and you'll be able to earn 1 point. Now this point right here is equal to 0.01. You earn 1 point from the tax. When I click on next, this will load the next website, which will also give you the next point right here. So you can simply stay on the website just like this and you'll be able to earn, and you can click on it until all your tasks for the day have been done. So all you need to do is to complete the tasks for the day. That means the 10 tasks for the day. So I'm going to show you how you can get more tasks to do and how to earn more from this platform. Now I'll click on dashboard, and you can see right now I have 105 points, which is $1.05, and I can withdraw this right here. But before my withdrawal, let me show you how to earn more. So you can see right now the one which is open to me is the visit website task. If you want to unlock the view ads and also the video task which pays you more, you have to activate a plan, and the plan is down here. You can see right now I'm on the free plan, which is this one right here, which earns me $0.1 every day, $3 per month, $36.5 per year. If you want to earn more, you have to upgrade. Come down here, click on upgrade, and here you can see the various upgrade methods. So this is the first one right here. Second one costs $50 to upgrade, and this is how much you'll be able to earn, which is $365 per year. When you scroll down, you can see this one which costs $100. When you scroll down, you can see all of this. If you want to upgrade to any of them, click on get this, and this is the payment method that you have to also pay through. Now after that is done, your account will be upgraded and you'll get more tasks to also do. There is another way to earn more from this website, and it's very simple. All you need to do is to tell your friends about this platform while giving them your referral link. So click on invite friends, is to scroll down and copy your referral link, share this to your friends, and whenever someone uses your link to sign up right here, you earn 2 points for each person that signs up with your link, and 5% of any plan that the person also buy. Your friend also gets 100 points when they sign up with your link. So this is a win. If you want to withdraw, it's simple. All you need to do is to click on withdraw, and here what you want to do is to add your wallet address. Now this withdrawal is through cryptocurrency, so click on add new wallet address, and they'll ask you for the wallet address that you want to bind, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron TRS, Dogecoin, Ripple, USDT TRC20, and ERC20. And when you copy your wallet address, paste it right here, and you can label it any name. Click on set a default withdrawal, click on verify, and also add your withdrawal address to this platform in order to also withdraw. If you need any help too, you can click on the help center. This will bring you here, and you can also read articles on this topic which will also help you. But if you need to contact customer service, you can click on this, and you can see right here contact us, and this will take you to a page like this where you can also contact them via Telegram to get the help that you also need. If you want to start earning from this platform, check it out with the link down in the description of this video as well as the comment section.